Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Honorable guests, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum and greetings from UK. First of all, I would like to thank Dr. Halima Sadia for inviting me to such an important event to honor our medical fraternity who, at the risk of their lives, worked hard to save life, and in the process, many themselves became a victim of COVID, and few of my friends died providing that service. Dr. Halima is really a gifted educationist whose activities are multifocal, educational, religious, health-related, inter-community harmony. She seems to be in every field and active in every hour of life. I think she's one of the most gifted lady of Bihar and perhaps India in Muslim community. I feel very fortunate to listen to the medical experts from across many continents. I was very fascinated by the by the simple, clear dietary advice and by Dr. Mahesh Abhyankar about vitamins, uh, exercise, mental exercise, and everything. I found his advice very, very useful. I really was very impressed. I will also applaud the admirable service across the various countries and three continents of Dr. Ambrose Samuel Cubia. I applaud him for his services. What an amazing, happy, relaxed doctor. Then Dr. Ramanathan, he touched on these financial implications and losses and gave very useful guidelines in details to safeguard our lives in future. And he also mentioned national and global compliance. I thank him for his speech. Lastly, I am very pleased to to thank Dr. Abdul Hai. He is my contemporary from different medical school, but he followed a dizzy. He achieved a dizzy academic height following his father's footsteps. Dr. Hai, who was a professor of medicine in PMCH, was a physician to Governor of Bihar and President of India. And it is always a pleasure to meet and listen to him. My thanks to Dr. Hai. I also thank Dr. Saravanan for his very interesting, informative speech, talk on alternative technique. And Miss Hiranya, what an amazing girl she is. I mean, she has got a great, great future ahead of her. I thank her for her presentation, and I thank all the awardee, and I thank all the participants in this uh, Zoom talk. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much for your wonderful thank you note, Dr. Imtiaz, and we welcome you to support our goals and achievements for serving the community by joint hand in future. Thank you so much.
So thank you all for joining us. It was really wonderful to have you here. And especially I must thank a few people by name because I have seen them since beginning. They are here. And among them, Zoena is the first one. Zoena, thank you very much. She has joined us from Dubai. And although she is a teacher, but she has great interest in all such type of intercontinent activities. So she is with us since beginning. Then I can see Abdul Rahman with us since beginning, Gulshan Ara with us since beginning, then Mahesh, then VK Thakur ji, Vijay Lakshmi ji, Sadia Rizvi, Nemat Parveen, Ashfaq S, Maria Noor, and Suresh ji, Sifat Naz. So everybody, whosoever is with us, Fatima from DPS is with us. Thank you very much for joining us, and it was really great honor. And before we wind up, let me just announce that the awards will be sent to your postal addresses.
I think we have Suresh with us, Dr. Suresh.
Mr. Suresh is here. Doctor is not written.
Mhm.
Mr. Suresh. So let me make the announcement that the awards will be sent to your postal addresses. For that, I'll be contacting you separately. And thank you very much for being with us. It was really a wonderful event, and my apologies, sincere apologies for the technical issues, and in between there was disturbance because of the technical problems. But this is the way at times it happens. Although I live in the capital city, NCR, and there is no such issues, but I don't know what happened today that it was like that. Anyways, my regrets to you all, my apologies to you all. Thank you very much. Zoina, would you like to congratulate the doctors? Unmute yourself and then, yes.
Thank you very much, ma'am, for allowing me and inviting me to take part in this great opportunity for me, actually. I'm here, as ma'am said, I'm a teacher, and I am, Halima ma'am is one of my mentors and someone who I look up to. And yeah, maybe with time, slowly, and I'm learning a lot from her. So I thought, okay, maybe I will be able to learn a lot from her today also. That was the reason why I joined today, from the very beginning, of course. And but as soon as I joined in and seeing all of you and listening to all of you, even from Miss Hiranya, wow, it was amazing to listen to all of you. And I got motivated. I felt like, wow, there's so much to expect in our future, coming future. And thank you very much. I felt good. I felt amazing. And I hope all of you felt the same spirit as well. Thank you, ma'am, for the opportunity.
Thank you, Zoina, for your motivating words. You are a great motivator.
We can invite the mother of Hiranya to share some few words.
Yeah, she is into tears. I can see she was very emotional when.
She is the queen maker.
Yes. Yes, madam.
You are in mute.
Okay, yeah. Can you hear me now?
Yes.
Okay, first of all, I'd like to thank you all so much for this. It's very well organized. Dr. Ram, he's, I do not know what to say. My heartfelt thanks to him. No words to, thank him. He's really, so motivating, and he keeps introducing a lot of people and he's doing a lot of good deeds. And Dr. Halima, after talking to him, I approached you, and thank you very much. Thanks to each and everyone. It's really a very great honor, and as Hiranya told, a good privilege to be here in the midst of top-notch doctors today. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, ma'am. We are happy that you are happy, and you are a proud mother of a wonderful, magical daughter. Thank you very much for joining us and for speaking good words about us.
Yeah, with all your blessings. Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you. We have one young energy source with us. So
yeah.
Definitely we will, like Zuena and Hiranya, like that, young girls will take the next follow-up with the older people like us. So they will be the followers to take.
Inspiration for us, sir.
You both are both young at work, huh? And hard also.
So we look up to all of you, and we got so motivated today listening to all of you. We realized that we can do a lot, and I'm not very young also. Thank you very much anyways.
Okay, you are welcome.
Okay, then thank you, Dr. Ram.
Is there any other reflections from any other people who have not yet opened their mouth? They want to share anything before closing the session?
We have some of the students here. Let me just invite one or two because they are doing paramedical. So they will be very happy to see that even one paramedical staff also we have honored. Nemat Parveen, what do you have to say about this? Please unmute and speak.
मैम मैं डाइनिंग हॉल में हूँ खाना खा रही हूँ
Oh, you are eating and you are listening, no issues at all. But you will be happy to know that we have awarded, along with the doctors, we have awarded the nurses and the paramedical staff as well. So there is a bright future for all those who are doing paramedics because your presence is very much essential along with all the doctors. Thank you very much, everyone, and take special care of yourself. And soon we are going to have a wonderful program. Let me announce now, we are going to have a program on 1st May when we are going to honor all the workers of the world. Those who are making our life comfortable, those who are making our life worth living in this world. Without their contribution, we cannot do anything. So thank you very much. Yes, Ram, do you agree with this idea?
It's a great idea. I would like to welcome all the, not only the contributors or the workers or any person who are doing the great in their life. They are directly or indirectly supporting a lot for the world to revolve finally. So we need to encourage irrespectively for all the people who are thinking and creating the values for the great world for us. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Dr. Ram, for elaborating it. All those who are thinking that they are making some difference in this world, they are going to be awarded on 1st May. So thank you, take care, and good night. Have a wonderful day. May God bless you always.
Thank you for making the day for us. Thank you so much.
Best doctor. Thanks.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.